In today's video I'm going to show you 5 websites where you can make money online just by reading books. You can make literally $800 just by reading books. It's super simple. You just need to have a great voice, or you just need to know how to read books, and I bet a lot of you guys know how to do that. So let's go. Okay, let's go straight to the point. So the first website you want to go to is called acx.com. So this is it. It's pretty famous, and if you want to make money as a narrator, you have to go here down and go to narrators and studios. So click here. You can learn more, and you just need to register and set up your prices, and you can start getting jobs just to read books pretty much. And as you can see, they work with Amazon, Audible, and iTunes, so they're well known in the business. So that's the first website you want to go to, acx.com. The second website is called voiceproductions.com, and you want to go to services, and here you can they have different types of services, and you can decide to offer your services as a voiceover, as a narrator. Here you can become a voice actor, so you just register, you set up your profile, register, and that's about it for this website. So this one, voiceproductions.com. The third one that you can register to is called findawayvoices.com, and you have to go to scroll down, and you'll go for narrators, and you can create a profile right here. It's completely free, and again, you set up your prices, and you can get jobs just to read books. As you can see, this profile here, she's making 100 to 200 per hour, if I can see. I can't really read very well, it's kind of blurry, but anyways, so you set up your prices, and again, you can get jobs. So great website as well to try. So findawayvoices.com for the number 3. Then we have bunnystudio.com. Here again, they offer multiple types of services. As you can see, voiceovers, video translation, dubbing, audio ads. So again, you're gonna want to set up a profile as a narrator or voiceover, and you'll be able to get paid for your work as well with them. So you want to go to bunnystudio.com for that one. That's the number 4. And the number 5 website I wanted to let you know about, but you probably already know about this one, it's pretty well known already. It's voices.com, and again, you need to sign up and set up your profile, and you can get work as a narrator, or you can do voiceover and get paid just for that. They work with pretty well-known brands, as you can see. And again, great way to make money online from the comfort of your home. As you can see here, some profiles. This person is making $700 for a dynamic voiceover for your online ad. So an online ad is not very long usually, but it starts at $700. So again, you can set up your prices and wait to get jobs or apply to jobs, and that's fairly easy. If you have a great voice, a unique type of voice, or if you have an accent, or like, people can look for different types of voices for the way they sound, or the accent, or you know, some people would want a British accent, some other ones a French accent, other ones Australian accent or whatever. Anyways, so there's something for everyone. So don't think that, oh, my voice is so regular, nobody's gonna want to pay me to just read a book. You would be surprised. So give it a shot. You know, you have 5 great websites here that you can try, and you can start to make money online from the comfort of your home again. And it's literally free as well. So good luck. Thanks again, guys, for watching my video. I hope it was useful. If it was useful, please give me some thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel right here. And if you have any comments, don't hesitate, just leave a comment below and I'll be happy to respond to you as soon as I can. And I'll see you on the next video for a new way of making money online. See you guys.